Hey guys, today we are going to replace the cabin filter on Audi A3 8V, and well, this is going to be basically all the same as in Golf and Skoda Octavia and Passat, since this filter fits so many vehicles. It's the same shape and roughly the same location. So on the right side, on the passenger side in this case, we are going to open the glove box, empty it, and over here there's a flap. In Volkswagen and Skoda, I believe you need to drop the glove box further to access the filter, and here's the actual filter cover. So there are 3 locks at the top. You need to press them in order to release this flap. Let me try to do this without any tools. It's not that easy, but once you have this first one pressed and the second one pressed, you can slightly move it, and now keep tension over here and release the third one, and you should be good. Now gently up, and here's the old filter. We can see the airflow indicator over here. Airflow should be downwards. That's important when fitting the new one. Okay, so let's remove the old one. Okay, not that bad. Let's check how this looks over here. Not much to see. We can use an endoscope camera just to check what's available from here. Okay, let's check if there's something interesting over there. What? Okay, not much interesting thing other than dirt. By the way, you can check the review of this endoscope camera. It's going to be linked somewhere over here and in the description below this video. And right now, the fresh filter, we want to make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing downwards, and we want to fit the filter inside like so. It slides in without any issue. Now place the cover, press it until it clicks 3 times. Okay, and now this with acoustic isolation, it should also fit here without any issues. Is it here? Okay, it's in place right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this simple tutorial, and see you soon.